amazing. Haha.
That's the river.
Look at the river somewhere here. Can't even see. Ha ha ha. Where's the waterfall? Where'd it go? Oh my. This is awesome. It's a river. Wow. We're going over the river. Yeah, we went over a little bit. Wow, look at that. Haha, this is awesome. I need to come here again. Oh, you never had the rafting we did? That was fun. It's like the same thing. Hey, maybe this fish. I bet too. Woo! Okay, now where is the waterfall? Up there. I'm like so ready, but freezing at the same time. Oh my god. Oh, it's 53 actually. Degrees. It used to be 44 because all the snow. Wow, look at all that. Okay, I think we're getting close to a waterfall. Whoa, I can see it inside the river. So far I see no fish. Maybe fresh water? I don't know. I'm very bad at it. Oh, it is? Freshwater people, freshwater. Oh, look it, do you see there's like a little waterfall up there. I don't know how that happened. Probably because it's melted. Waterfall.
Look.
What?
We're going over the river.
Going over the river. We survived the river. Oh my. Lots of trees. Now where is the waterfall? Somewhere on your side.
On my side?
Maybe, I don't know. Because the river's on that side.
Yeah.
And I hope we're getting close. A lot of trees. Okay,
I see. Oh, there it is. I see it.
I don't. I can't see it.
Oh my gosh,
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Look at that right here.
Look at that. We're going near it. Hold up,
Guys,
people.
Right here. Look. See it?
What?
The waterfall.
There's one right here.
Where? Oh, my gosh. There's the one over there.
Whoa.
That one? Yeah.
No?
Up there. There's a huge one over on this side, too. You can't see it?
No. You guys ruined it.
Sorry. Larry, it's a one-way road. Oh, no, it isn't.
The waterfall is somewhere over there. I couldn't find another one.
Bridal Veil Fall. Ooh, that's the I remember that one.
Where's the fall? Where's the waterfall?
Right here. Bridal Veil Fall.
No. Oh ha ha.
See it?
Oh ha ha. Oh.
Right there. See it?
I don't know if it's getting this, but if you can see it in there, there's a big waterfall.
Right there. I see it.
All the way on top.
Yep.
Somewhere.
It's feeding the river.
A lot of trees in the way. And there's a little river over here. So, we're going to get a clear shot in about a few minutes, right? Still there, right?
Yep.
I'm very bad.
Here it comes. Right there.
I'm not getting it on
Let me
here.
get it. What I got? Woo! Do I got to do anything?
No, just look it. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yeah, there it is.
Alright. water.